I'm going to tell you about the slicer shredder attachment with the 30-quart Hobart mixer. This is the 30-quart Hobart mixer that allows us to use its powerful motor for many other functions. Since the mixer can be relatively pricey, it is cost-effective to buy attachments that can also utilize that motor. This is the slicer and shredder attachment for the mixer, but it can also be used as an attachment for other mixers as well. First, we are going to unplug the machine and make sure that it is off. We are going to attach the back casing to the attachment hub on the mixer by sliding it into place and then securely fastening it with the thumb screw. Alright, so first we're going to take the shredding plate, which is this, and the shaft, and insert it into the back casing by lifting up on the plunger, like so, and sliding it into place. Once it is securely in the back casing, we are going to grab the hopper and we are going to insert the hinge pins into the hinge holes, like so, and close it to the back casing, releasing this lever and securing it into place. Then when you are ready to use, you can lift the food pusher and insert food into the tubular, resting this down, and you are ready to use it. Make sure to plug it in and then turn it on.
Hi, I'm Natalie. I'm going to be showing you how to use this slicer/shredder attachment. So when using this attachment, it's important to first put a large bowl under the base to catch the food that has been chopped. We also put a piece of plastic wrap over this large bowl to ensure that any of the juices that may fall aren't going to dirty this bowl as well. So when using this slicer attachment, it can be used for a variety of purposes. The coarse plate can be used to chop cabbage, carrots for coleslaw, beets, jicama, or cheese. The grater attachment can be used to grate cheese or potatoes. When ready to grate the food, just open the food pusher, place the vegetables in the hopper, and push down the feed pusher at a constant rate. Pushing down too quickly will result in inconsistent sizes of the food and may crush the food. Set the mixer speed to the lowest setting at first. In our case, this is set at speed 1. Then turn on the shredder. Now we're ready to use the grater attachment. That was super weird.
Hi, my name is Aliana, and I am going to show you how to disassemble the slicer attachment. So first we're going to unplug the mixer. Then we're going to remove the hopper to access the blade by lifting this lever. Remove the shredding plate from the housing unit by lifting on the plunger. Remove the thumb screw to release the back of the slicer attachment from the socket or attachment hub. Don't do that. And we'll twist this out, and the hinge pins should come out of the back of the case.
Hi, I'm Haley, and I'm going to show you how to clean all parts of the shredder and slicer. So you can run everything under warm water to rinse. you can wash by hand with warm soapy water, or you can place the parts on the top rack of the dishwasher, like so. To clean the attachment itself, rinse with warm water and use a damp cloth to scrub. Use another dry towel to dry all the parts when finished.